Who is this legend with the suppressed MK over there?
Ego Waka.
Oh, someone here probably. It's a car there. Green. What the fuck? He's shooting at nothing then. I thought he was spamming these guys on the hill, bro.
Nah, he's cheating. Do you hear how he shoots?
Yeah, maybe actually. Oh yeah, the
He's
headshots.
cheating.
Headshots actually.
He's cheating, I think.
Yes, unfortunately. Ooh, it's fully zoomed in Natex this time.
We have the cheater on our team. We don't say anything.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? That's actually the cheater. This guy's blatant. Let's talk to him. Let's yeah.
But don't tell him that we know he's cheating. Maybe I want to.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I can't team kill him, but I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah, but I can do it.
Yeah, I know.
And I would not suggest doing it.
Hey, what's up, Diego?
I'm always against that kind of.
Animal.
Yellow, hello.
I'm gonna fucking. I know what I'm gonna. Okay, I know exactly what. If we survive, I know what we do with him. We're gonna put him in a shack and we're gonna block the door with a bicycle.
What? He's talking. Hello?
Hello?
We have to survive.
Yellow, you said something?
He did. Hello? Hey, go.
Yellow, my friend. Yeah, microphone. Hello?
Hello?
Nice
You talking? Hello?
What's up, my friend? Help.
You got this, bro. I trust you have it. So to speak. Yeah, easy headshot for the boys.
Oof.
Look at that, man. You're some kind of good player.
Oh no. Oh no.
I save you, bro. Anytime.
Yo, that's crazy.
There's a whole squad under me.
I mean, did you have some mats?
What? There's a stair here?
Yeah, I don't want to play with this guy anyway.
I have an idea.
So I can't hear anything. Like, there's a whole team on me. I can't med. The whole team outside my building. It's outside.
What the fuck?
I missed it. Fuck off.
Watch him. Spectate the shield.
Wait, they didn't flush me yet. This guy's running and spraying headshots.
What's the info?
In that building. Yes, sir. It's more of them. Like that. I don't think they had meds.
Nick,
Many kills
left,
you have,
I could've
Yellow?
burned up. Don't give it away that we know yet, because I want to have
What?
the best idea for him.
Did you have any kills?
No. I do have some bandage, like, but like, some stamps, maybe.
Okay, nice. But did you get any kills? Kill any enemies?
Well, let me check. Probably killed one. Like the first knock, like the headshot.
Now he's serious. He's trusting us. Oh, nice, man.
I'm gonna put him in a shack and trap him in it with the bicycle. You can do that on this map.
Thank you so much.
We've been looking for a good fourth player. That has a mic.
Well, like, to be honest, I have never been res before.
You'll see why.
Thank you for being honest. This guy actually is a cheater. We had him a previous game. We played against him. Full aimbot, full wallhack.
Am I just like getting res like next to the squad or like on a plane?
He doesn't even know.
Is that new? Not sure actually.
Yeah, like I've never been res before.
What the, are you new to the game? What the? Are you a new player?
Oh, it's on a plane, yeah. Probably gonna. Yeah.
There's a 3 Vesta.
Wait, I might actually land here just to get some loot.
I have a lot of stuff for you I can give you, but yeah, you can land it.
How do you mean that you can block someone back?
So the shack have metal doors here, so you can
Oh.
put them in, close the door, and block it with the.
What?
So I'm gonna bait him in the shack and then block the door, and then we're gonna
Holy
fucking pummel him,
shit.
verbally assault him.
You should interrogate him. Why is he?
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna find the shack now. To
I
fucking-
see. I see
Is
a
it
shack
orange
actually.
or shack-
I
is it
think I
metal
see
door
it.
shack?
No,
In
but
orange?
here is it. There's a car driving.
Oh,
Uh,
wait, I might just go to the city.
yeah.
It's too far away.
Louis is
cannot
right.
I can
land there.
give you loot, Yellow. Come with me. Come with me. I have weapons in the car in the trunk for you.
Oh,
Okay, come
alright,
with me.
cool.
Go to the fucking shack, my guy.
On my way.
I can drop.
Oh yeah, you drop it inside it.
I know. Just go.
Let's
Just
meet at
You
the hill.
you're gonna trick him like
you need to distract him in the shack and drop him like an energy drink and stuff while I'm setting the bicycle outside. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, but he's gonna be a slow looter anyway. I drop all bullets in
Drop, like,
in small.
one. Just come. We have weapons and stuff.
Toxic.
Alright.
What the fuck?
Okay.
He seems like
You
he
need to come in the car with me.
seems like a. What, like, holy shit, this is his first time playing the game, and he's cheating instantly. There's people up here.
Wait, can we not go to that shack?
I'm not sure. There are people up on blue. One left though with the car.
Is there a
But he
different
was spraying
shack we can
something.
go? This is a shack on orange.
Yeah, he's leaving, You can go, I think.
I see some people on my pin.
Nah, I don't see any enemies. Go here, it's a shack on the right. Right?
On the right? Oh, sorry, I'm tripping. Well, oh yeah.
No, I don't see any people
Okay,
there.
you need to drop it for him while I set the bicycle up.
Okay.
Get him inside.
Oh shit, hide inside. I hear people.
Tell him you're dropping loot. Now,
No,
close the door.
they're
Close the
coming.
door, Max,
Sound.
close the door.
Wait, hide, they're coming. Are they coming back? Need to kill this though. It's Obi-Wan again.
Dude.
Big fan,
he
big fan.
cheated. I blocked him in the.
Okay,
I can't
Obi-Wan, if you see this, PUBG report.
It's like door obstacle.
There's we're playing random squads and this guy is a cheater. We had him in a previous game, and now Atom locked him in the shack with the bike. What the fuck? Wait, I heard another car by the way.
Dude, we're gonna drop you loot now. We're coming.
Oh, we had it. More cars.
Just fucking
Yeah,
talk to
but
the guy
like,
now.
I
Ask him
cannot
why he's
open the
cheating.
door. I'm stuck.
Wait, pretend you can't open.
Just
Yeah, like the,
Lucale. Yeah, I know. Sorry, I see the name. I am also streaming Modern.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh,
I-
yeah.
Wait, what's going on?
Door obstructed.
Wait, what?
Like the door's blocked. Locked.
Oh shit! An army of people shooting me. Where's that from?
Talk to him.
Try press F. Press F. You know, that's how I open.
Yeah, but like I cannot open the door. It is blocked.
No, what? I'm not saying Obi-Wan is a cheater. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm saying the guy that's locked in this shack right now. He is a cheater. We had him in the previous game.
It's blocked.
I said if Obi-Wan watches this PUBG report, he will see. Oh, like you have to like listen.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I'm good. How are you, like
You
Luke?
probably have to
I know
move
who
your
Obi-Wan
back
is. What the
if
fuck?
it is like on the door.
This guy is a brand new player.
Bye.
We had him in my previous game. He's
Yeah,
fully
I'm
cheating.
pretty sure
It's probably the
something
top
is, like,
bottom.
in front of the door. I can open it. I cannot get out.
Like you can't see it, but if you really want to see, you can go check my VOD. We played a Destin game like
So,
2
Yellow,
games ago, or 3 games ago. 2 games.
why are
Uh-huh.
you a dirty? Why are you a dirty little cheater? Why do you cheat? Why do you play with cheats, dude? Are you a little bit special? A little bit small brain?
What?
Do you have a little bit peanut brain? Maybe smooth brain?
No, but answer this
What's
at least.
that?
Why, why you just started playing this game, right? Why are you already cheating?
Ah, because I can.
Yeah,
Is
but
it fun?
is it actually fun?
Yep, that's pretty fun to be honest.
Okay, but
What cheats do you use?
it's more like an
Like,
aimbot,
you
right?
use radar or wall-lock?
It's more like an
I
aimbot.
have aimbot and wall.
All right. Like, how much does it
Which one
cost?
do you
And- And probably like loot ESP.
Loot ESP, okay. How much does it cost?
I think like I'm in Canada. It's like $5 Canadian per day.
Per day? Holy shit, that's pretty expensive. And how long are you planning to use it?
How long? Probably for 4 years.
For 4 years?
Yeah.
You paid for 4 years? $5 each day?
Like not consecutively, but like I probably cheat.
Oh, you
7
have
days per
you have
month.
cheated for 4 years. Or
Yeah,
what?
I've cheated for 4 years. That's a long
okay.
history.
See,
In
I see.
PUBG? You cheated for 4 years?
Like, not only in PUBG, but like in all games.
But why
This
don't
guy-
you just learn to play the game, man? What?
This guy has mental health problems, dude. Do you hear how he like
Yeah, I
seriously
know.
answering this shit?
I'm just curious, like, how do you know I'm cheating?
Because we played against you in another game. For us, it's really easy to tell that somebody's cheating. We played this game for a long time and we know instantly if somebody's cheating.
Like how?
Don't tell him how, because that, like we're just
How?
good at the game, so we know when somebody's cheating. Making weird things.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Like level 11 and like make so much kills, right?
What? Do you make a lot of kills?
Yeah. All right, bye guys.
But you didn't finish talking yet, dude. Like, I don't understand. Why don't you just learn to get good at the game? You know, it's not that difficult. You just play a little bit, you will get good. You don't need to cheat.
I mean, that's my choice. Like,
Yeah,
I
but you
I
know
think
it's
this for
fucking-
you.
Can you just shut the car?
Like,
Don't get defensive, man. He's just asking why you choose not to learn the game instead of just cheating. It's just a simple question, dude.
Like I think this is interesting. We actually have a
I've been
cheater
doing
in
this
front
for
of us.
years.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I cannot quit. That's a habit.
Like in all online games. Like what else? Like Call of Duty, or what?
No, I never played COD. Like, for once, I never played COD ever. I
What's he
cheated
say?
Battlefield 5 and Escape from Tarkov. League of Legends. Probably CS:GO. Yeah, like this spin botting CS:GO.
he
Dude,
talks
you
whispering
realize
to
that
himself
Yeah,
there?
he
with all
does-
the time that you've been cheating, you
talking
say
to
you've been
himself.
cheating
He's like
for 4 or 5 years. If you'd actually been playing these games naturally, you would probably be a good player by now, a really good player.
I doubt it, but
I could be, but
Potentially.
like, I choose not to.
But
Alright,
why
man.
though? Like, you know, it's very like dirty, and no one likes cheaters. Like, do you not have friends to play with? Like, you just come and play alone and you cheat. Like, that's a little bit special.
Not really, because I do have a friend who cheats, and then we probably, have like a cheating squad sometimes. But like currently they're just busy, so I'm just like testing new cheats.
I see. But
Wait.
you don't. Do you still like? Is it
this
fun to
guy in
win
the
a
shack
game?
that we
Like,
locked
you
in the
understand?
shack,
Like,
he is cheating.
when we win a game, we played hard. We played well, and we win the game. It feels fucking good. But you
Yeah,
just
it's
click the mouse button and
that's
everyone
when
dies.
the game is fun. Like it's a random that we randomly got in the game. That's why. But now we locked him in the shack and he's talking to him.
Yeah, that's certainly
And he's
fun, but,
admitting it.
like, I mean, it really depends on people. Like, some people really likes cheating. Like, the way it feels, it's just like incredible.
It's not the cheating that gives you incredible feeling. It's the illusion that you are actually good at the game and winning with your own skills.
But
which
yeah,
you're
do you
not.
feel like it's you doing it, or do you not feel like it's the cheat doing it for you? Do you actually feel like it's you being good?
No,
It is like the okay. 'Cause some people I know that they say that they think it's
never.
them doing it.
Never. Like, I know I'm cheating. Like, I know cheating is no good, but like, some people think it's bad. I feel like it's okay, and I got
No,
friends
not
feel it's
Obi-Wan.
okay as well.
No one accused him. I said to in case Obi-Wan was looking at the
See.
PUBG report because I killed him.
You have a very.
I said
interesting
if you're
logic.
looking at this, you can come
Like,
check.
most people don't agree with your logic. You know that, right? Like,
I just
I
explained to
know,
him why we
but
were there.
I
It's like
do
my
We have a
Minecraft.
guy in the shack.
I do show respect to those people, just
Then
like
someone
the
in
way I
chat,
talk to you guys,
didn't hear.
showing respect to each other.
yeah, I mean, we're not gonna just mindlessly shout at you. It's interesting to hear what you say, but you,
Yeah, I've never talked
Can
to
I
someone cheating before, to be honest.
Can I ask you a personal question? You might not want to answer, but
No, I would answer, but like, because you don't know me in real life, there's no reason to just like skip your questions.
do you do therapy by any chance? Are you in therapy with like a psychologist? Have you ever
No.
done it?
I never tried it before.
Okay. I was just wondering if you did.
This
if-
guy,
if
this
you-
guy really seems
if
like
you've ever
how to say.
discussed this addiction to cheating you have.
He doesn't seem like a bad person.
it's
Like,
like
That
wheezing.
would be an interesting conversation.
he
for
just
you.
seems like a very like
Yeah, so, like, that
special
might be
person.
it. I don't know, but like, it's not
Running in the open below us.
really. Yeah, like there are some people on your back.
One is behind the shack on the left and one is running on the right. Fuck
There's a
me.
squad on my pin.
Oh.
We actually
Yeah, we don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that. Don't tell us.
Yeah,
We don't like
Alright,
cheating.
alright.
Oh, get in the back.
Diamond and armor. Nice.
Wait, I'm still curious. Like, how do you guys find I'm cheating? you are not like spectating my gameplay.
So, we fight you in a different game, like a few games ago.
You don't need to
we
tell him,
fought you.
like he's gonna change his, like, how
Oh,
obvious
really?
it is.
So like at which map?
It was this map, Patrick.
Was this map?
No.
It's like the FTP
the way you were
squad.
shooting was so obvious. Like, we knew you were cheating before we even met. Like, we heard your gunshots and we knew. You were shooting weapons that not naturally.
There's only a knockdowner.
it-
We got these people behind us.
Am I shooting with the MK12?
He talked to
Yeah, he's
himself.
talks to himself.
Back in
What
that
the
game.
fuck?
Was it the MK12 or like the M4?
That's why.
It
This
was
is
an
why you
MK12,
shouldn't tell him.
But they're not gonna tell you what you were doing wrong because we don't want you to. We don't want to teach you how to cheat
Nah, like,
better.
yeah.
Holy shit!
got
I
Basically,
gotta
they
throw-
played against. Basically, they game and
Good shit.
Wait,
when, you,
so
when
like,
they see
my
people doing
wait.
weird shit, they can
So
tell.
like, my question is like, who are you? Like,
whoa.
I'm like back in that match. Who are you? Like, are you guys on the hills or like in the?
Nade.
Like-
There's two guys on the right side of the road.
Because I did have like 14 or 15 kills.
Another one on me. Still people. Oh, shooting me. No, he can't shoot me there. One on the right. Only one up.
Where is he?
I don't know. Another one bottom left. Under you. Oh. That was the guy.
It was interesting to talk to you, Yellow, but it's very dirty that you cheated.
Yeah, we don't like it,
You
but
play-
yeah. Glad you actually spoke.
Alright, bye.
It was interesting to have a conversation.
I think, honestly, I think that he has some.
You should get help.
he
You
sounds
need
like he
mental
has.
mental health help. You really need some mental health help.
I don't want to be like. I'm not saying this to be toxic, but I think he actually has a mental. What's it called?
Yeah, he does.
What's it called? Mental
Disability.
disability. Yeah. No, not that, but he's like, how is it, psychopath?